Right guys, dead quick one, dead quick salad this one. This is more of a, it's almost like a coleslaw type thing. It's the sort of thing you'd find in a tub like that in Tesco. And it's going to be called celery, apple and nut salad, that'll do. So we need some celery, an apple, lemon, sour cream, mayo, salt and pepper, some walnuts, which are nicely chopped down already, so no need to chop those. And I might just put a splash of mustard in at the end, because you know me, I like it a little bit warm. I'm conscious of the sun coming over. So I need some celery. I'm going to take these bits off the end here, little bits. They won't go to waste, don't worry. I'm just going to take small pieces. I don't want to be biting great big chunks. In the description, I'll put it down as for 4 people, but this is just for me for today, to go with my pizza and garlic bread, and I reckon one more that'll do. So we've got a bowl ready. Done with that. Might as well chuck some nuts in while we're here. Let's try, I'll tell you what, let's cross these end a little bit further, yeah. Need a little bit more, bigger knife for this one. There we are. We're going to core and peel an apple. Don't use this very often, but if you want to mix it up a bit, you can use a green and a red apple. Half of each or one of each. There we are. Cool. And small pieces again. If that had stayed in order, that would have been so easy. I might just use half an apple. No, I'll use the whole apple. You can't save half an apple, can you? Let's try and do it a bit neater this time. There you are. Right, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to get the lemon and juice in pretty quick, because that will stop the apple going brown. You won't see that there. I'll give that a mix in. I noticed a seed one in there, but we'll find that in a minute. Sour cream. I'll bring the spoon yet. This really is quick, guys, you know. I'm not sure I want to put 1 or 2 tablespoons into that. So let's have a look. 2, at least 2. Salt and pepper to taste. A bit windy here, so I'll keep this down a little bit. And quick taste test before we have the apple, celery, nut. Oh, lovely. A little bit of French's, nice and mild. Have I opened this one? Yes, I have. Did you know that on the back of the French's cap, if you push it wide open, there's a little clicker there, And it stops the cap from falling over the hole when you're pouring. If you press it hard, look, it stays open. That's nice. I suspect this will be even nicer. I can't get a bit of everything, yeah, nearly. A bit of celery on there. There we go. That is spot on, guys. Now, like I said, I'll be having that. I'll be in the fridge, let it cool down a bit. I'll be in the fridge, having that later on today. Let's clean my mess up and get a decent photograph. No editing. No editing with this one. That was real-time footage, so that's how quick it is.